I would say that Andrew McFarland and Started Juice Bar, that was the first phone call I made when we decided to make this business a reality. And I've never regretted it once. And having you, Nathan, come out here and actually interact with us and with our staff exceeded my expectations. One of the things we talked about was you gave the why to the staff, or at least you explained our why very well to the staff, which motivated them during the training, and I believe will hold their motivation. And now it's up to Ingrid and I to take it to the next step. And we couldn't be more pleased and more satisfied with the turnout. We feel that the staff now knows what to do. And again, the success of the juice bar is now on our shoulders, but you've laid the foundation for us in a great way. Sorry that was long-winded. Here's Ingrid.
When we talked with Andrew, everything was back and forth on papers. Goals, challenge, what expectations you have, and everything was writing and writing. But today is the reality. It's our day that we open doors to the public, no super official, but training. And it's a blessing to have Nathan with us, teaching us the way to do it, organize everything, get a system that is so important. So everything that was in papers, all those goals, all those motivation things that we have it just in writing, it's real right now, because when the first customers get in, that inspiration about his talking just was natural for us to say it. So thank you very much. It's a blessing to have all of you as a part of us, especially the baby steps. So yes. Hopefully you continue always with us.